the LG V20 here, and today has been a video for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra is now at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in two colors, Cosmic Red or Cosmic Black, with 28 GB of storage. I'm not sure why the 512 GB version is crossed out. That's very interesting. But the 128 GB Galaxy S20 Ultra is $1399.99. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like. You guys have the whole point straight from facing camera. Earpiece right here on top of it. Power and bang piece on the other side of the phone. The left side of the phone has nothing. The right side of the phone will have a power and bang piece. On the back of the Galaxy S20 Ultra, you guys will have 3 cameras along with the camera flash. Also, you'll have a camera lens with 100 times spacer. So you do have 4 cameras total. So it's pretty cool. You also have your Samsung video on the back. So pretty nice. The left side has nothing. The right side has your power and bang piece. So yeah. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra has 12 days of standby time, 37 hours of usage time, a 108 megapixel for the camera. That is, I think that's where the 100 times space is. So pretty nice. So your dimensions are 2.99 inches width and 6.5 inches height. So to meet the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G equipped with a first of its kind 108 megapixel camera. Just revolutionary. Smartphone gives you more power, speed, and options for doing the things you love. Capture every moment with unparalleled camera features like ultra bright night, 100 times spacer, and single take AI. Boost your battery in minutes with super fast charging and go for longer with an all-day intelligent battery. And enjoy the ultimate movie viewing experience on a 6.9-inch Infinity OLED display with a lightning fast 120Hz refresh rate. So that's really nice. Experience the power of Verizon's 5G ultra wideband with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Available in Cosmic Gray and Cosmic Black colors. So pretty nice if you get 2 color options. So pretty nice. So just one tap photo and video. Why set up with just one photo? Single take AI utilizes each camera lens for multiple stills and videos. Every time you take a shot, it determines ideal lenses, effects, and filters for your environment. So that's pretty cool. Galaxy 5G. Experience ultra fast speeds and ultra low latency with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband. Stream HD content with virtually no buffering. Game with near zero lag and download in seconds what used to take minutes. Zoom in ultra close with 100 times spacing. You can capture high-res images at an incredible distance. Snap photos from far off with stellar quality or magnify the details of nearby surroundings in stunning clarity, then share your shots ultra fast with 5G. Pro grade camera. Capture the world around you in true to life detail using a full system of high power studio quality lenses. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G premium 108 megapixel camera uses a 100 million pixels to make each shot stand out in exquisite color and detail, and the 40 megapixel front camera capturing fabulous selfies. About 40 megapixels in the front, that's crazy. Wow. Bright daylight, low light conditions are a breeze for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G with ultra bright night. You can capture dazzling blur-free photos and pro quality HDR video even in the darkest environments. No flash required. hours of power from minutes of charge. A powerful 5,000 mAh battery, intelligent battery learns from your routine and optimizes power throughout the entire day. And with super fast charging, you can add hours of battery life in just minutes. Premium entertainment. Take in every detail on a 20:9 dynamic AMOLED Infinity L display. This game-changing 120Hz refresh rate display provides lightning-fast touch responses and super smooth graphics. Now you can bring cinema quality video wherever you go on a sleek, pocketable device. Room for what matters. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G uses the power and storage capacity of a laptop on a compact and lightweight smartphone. It uses Snapdragon 865 processor and 12 GB of DDR5 RAM. Makes everything incredibly fast and efficient. Store your favorite photos, videos, and apps with 128 GB or 512 GB of storage, and upgrade to 1 TB more using an external microSD card. So I'm guessing that image will not load. Oh well. More means share the power. So this does have wireless power share, so that's really cool. So the wireless power share lets you transfer extra power to Samsung phones, watches, earbuds, and other compatible devices. Simply turn on power share and place the device on the back of your S20 Ultra 5G and your phone takes care of the rest. So that's very cool. So you do have to have a device that has wireless charging capabilities. And it's pretty cool. So if you guys need to charge if you guys need to charge your Galaxy Buds or whatever, the wireless power share feature will let you do that from your phone. So pretty cool. So the specs on the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. They're great specs. So you have LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's also a mobile device which works in over 200 countries. 12 days of standby time, 37 hours of usage time, a 1.8 megapixel rear-facing camera, 40 megapixel front-facing camera, which is insane. The Galaxy S20 Ultra weighs 7.8 ounces. The width of the S20 Ultra is 2.99 inches, the height is 6.5 inches, and the depth is 0.34 inches. So you do have a 6.9-inch WQHD Super AMOLED display, and that is a 510 PPI. That's a big ass screen, 5,000 mAh battery, Android 10 with One UI, 128 or 512 GB of storage, microSD up to 1 TB. There's your side ratings there. Colors Cosmic Black or Cosmic Gray. Hearing aid networks. Processor Snapdragon 865. Octa-core processor also has HD voice as well, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So that's pretty nice. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy S20 Ultra, Verizon has you covered with that with device support, so that's a great tool to check out. It says here, Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's pretty nice. So what you guys get in the box is your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, wall charger, stereo headset, quick reference guide, and terms and conditions. So yeah, so there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is now at Verizon Prepaid for $1399.99 for the 128 GB version. I'm not sure why the 512 GB version is crossed out. See if I click on it. I cannot click on it because it won't let me click on it. I'm guessing the 512 GB version is $1499.99, I guess. So yeah, so you should be able to get it in 2 storage options, but I have 1 storage option available right now. So yeah. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Now available at Verizon Prepaid and Cosmic Green or Cosmic Black at $13.99 for the 128GB version. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have left me out, like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.